Good evening, this is Nick with VIVID Landscape Lighting, and tonight is our grand reveal of the very first Biodesign pool in the state of Indiana, brought to you in part by VIVID Landscape Lighting. So what is a Biodesign pool? A Biodesign pool is simply a natural pool that is made of just quartz sand and resin. So once those two components are mixed and cured, it creates a smooth sand-like finish. It is also quite possibly stronger than concrete at just 2 inches thick. We have recently become a dealer for Biodesign because we wanted to add something incredibly unique for our list of services that now integrates our complete custom landscape and lighting and our whole package so you can vacation to your own backyard. This is something that's truly unique, completely customizable to what your personal needs may be of what you do want. Let's say you just want to have an easy, gradual entrance into the pool that you have, and you want to step off to the side and enjoy the sitting area with some hydrotherapy jets. You can really get that relaxation as you would a spa in your backyard. So simply put, what we were thinking is to have an easy transition from the patio onto the beach, but then also having these very large flagstone pieces as steps. The main attraction and really what we're doing here and what our goal was is to have easy access to the natural diving board that we put in. So you can either jump right in and dive into the pool, or you can just, have enough room for a nice cannonball. All of our lighting, the same is integrated with the rest of the landscape lighting, and it is going to be complete color changing and automated on your cell phone. Now that's not the only cool thing about the lighting on this project. We also have outdoor audio, and once again, completely automated on your cell phone. How long does it really take to build a Biodesign pool in your backyard? Well, compared to traditional pools, you're only really relying on your Biodesign dealer to create this backyard environment for you. So once we excavate and then we start hand carving the pool basin itself, there's a few layers of components that go down first over the soil to protect the pool. And then as we start mixing the sand and the resin together to create your pool shell, a pool this size would take no longer than 3 weeks from start to finish to complete. You're talking full landscape, stone patios, outdoor lighting, and audio with all complete automation with the touch of a button on your phone. Thanks for watching. Once again, this is Nick with VIVID Landscape Lighting. Make sure you smash that subscribe button on YouTube and check us out on our TikTok. We're getting fancy these days, and be sure to follow up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button, and we'll check you out another time. What the hell does that mean? We'll check you out another time.